Hey folks, Jeff Furman here at Marysville Ford to show you our 2008 F-150. This is equipped with a 4.6 liter V8, so it's a little bit smaller, gets better gas mileage, but you still got all the power to tow your toys. No scratches or dents. This thing has got a straight body on it. It's a crew cab with a short bed. You got power options in here, power windows, power locks, four-wheel drive, shift on the fly here. No more getting out and locking your hubs manually. It does it all automatic. You got your CD player. This thing is clean. I mean, there's no stains on the seats. You got all your options here on the steering wheel. Come down and see how smooth it rides. My name's Jeff Furman. Look forward to meeting you.